Today we're gonna be reviewing electrical disconnect pliers for cars. Here's what comes in the bag, the box. Got a 4 sets of disconnectors. These are used for disconnecting your electricals, push tabs, or your hoses, clamps. They're very well made. You can see, very good grip. You can see, very nice for your clamps. You can use for your cutting cables too. You got another one. Push the clamps out. Disconnect your electrical connectors. The grip is really good. I like it. Have this connector push pins. I think it has like 16. This one comes with. It didn't say it on the listing, but it came with it. So that's a plus. Got the push plug. This one you use to push things and disconnect them, and then you get the pliers for hard angles, the curved ones and hard to reach places. Here is your pliers. They're very well made. If you can see, very well made. So anybody that work on cars, you know you need these to make your life easier, because disconnecting electrical connectors with your bare hands and in difficult places, it's not fun. So definitely recommend them. Very well made for the price. You can ask for more. So if you are looking for disconnectors to work on your car, here are the ones. Hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.